Hi guys, welcome to the tutorial of the Woodcut effect. So in order to use the action, what you have to do, you have to actually check that your Photoshop need to be in English version. So you have to make that. Then what you have to do, you have to check that the mode is RGB from the image mode. Then the channel is 8-bit channel. Then what you need to do, you have to go into the Windows, then come into the pattern. So you have to import the pattern that comes along with the action. So for that you have to go click here and click on import pattern. So just try to import the pattern. So in my case this is the pattern, so I will import it. Okay, you are done here. So now you have to play the action. For that you have to go in the Windows, then click on actions. So the action panel will come and you have to load the action. My action is already loaded. In order to load action, you can click there and click on load action, then select the action file. It will show up here for you. So let's start applying the action. You have to click select the action and click play. So when you play it, it will show you a pop-up. It will say please select the object with the object selection tool and play the action again. So let's stop that. Click on stop and go to the go there and select the object selection tool. So if you don't find your object selection tool here, just hold on that icon and you will see that those you can see those actions. So you have to select the object selection tool. So now we will select the object here. Just select the entire thing that you want to have the effect. Then Photoshop will select the object automatically, then play the action again. And what the action the speed of the action will depend on your uh, PC capability or laptop or the device capability. So just you have to probably wait. So you can see that the action is already applied here. Now you can save it, or whatever you need to do, you can just do it. So remember that action will make the image 3000 pixel width and 300 in resolution. I think you guys will enjoy the action. So I'll play the action here again just to show you. The click the play, then it will the pop-up will come. Then you have to just select the object. Let's select the object. Photoshop will do select the object automatically. Then you have to play the action again. That's it. That's what you need to do. The action will do the rest. And I hope you guys will enjoy the action. Thank you. Please, if you guys enjoy the action, please rate it. It would be much appreciated. It will be much helpful for me. Thanks.